In this video we are going to talk about Tesla stock analysis. So before starting this video, please subscribe to our channel for future updates. Since taking the helm of the electric vehicle manufacturer in 2008, Tesla, TSLA, chief executive Elon Musk has defied the odds and consistently exceeded expectations. Is Tesla stock a buy now, following its first quarter report on vehicle deliveries that easily beat expectations? Tesla delivered 184,800 vehicles in the fourth quarter, up 109% year-over-year and 2.3% from the previous quarter. It defied expectations of a downward trend. According to FactSet, analysts had predicted 168,000 jobs. Despite the increasing number of electric vehicle rivals and the global chip shortage weighing on demand across the industry, the electric car leader outperformed expectations. Wedbush analyst Dan Ives upgraded Tesla stock to outperform from neutral following the study, increasing his price target to $1,000 from $950. Tesla was also added to Ives' list of best ideas. Despite the chip shortage and numerous supply chain issues lingering across the auto sector, Ives wrote in a note to clients, "We now believe Tesla could reach 850,000 deliveries for the year with 900,000 as a stretch target." Musk, who is known for making headlines, recently tweeted that it is now possible to purchase a Tesla in the United States using Bitcoin. Customers in countries other than the United States will be able to do so later this year. In early February, Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Tesla's stock has fallen after the company announced fourth quarter results on January 27 that fell short of analysts' expectations. The company posted adjusted earnings of 80 cents per share, which fell short of analyst expectations of 90 cents per share. Despite this, profits increased by 95% year-over-year, marking the company's sixth consecutive profitable quarter. Revenue increased by 46% to $10.74 billion, exceeding analysts' expectations of $10.1 billion. Tesla stock has dropped 23% after reaching a record high of $900.40 on January 25. Tesla has had a transformative year. In written remarks accompanying the earnings report, Tesla said, "This past year was transformative for Tesla. Despite unanticipated global challenges, we outperformed many industry patterns by substantially the volumes, profitability, and cash generation." Ives raised Tesla's second quarter delivery forecast, predicting 166,000 Model 3 and Model Y deliveries, up from 144,000 previously. He expects Model S and X deliveries to exceed 14,000 units in the second quarter, up from around 13,000 previously, taking the overall unit forecast for the quarter to 180,000 units, up from 157,000 previously. We are now projecting total unit annual deliveries of 830,000 units in 2021, up from 774,000 units previously, Ives wrote. The massive expansion of Tesla. Tesla has significantly increased its production capabilities. Musk plans to produce 20 million electric vehicles a year by the end of the decade, which is more than twice the current output of other automakers, so the company is now on a quest to quickly increase its manufacturing capabilities. Tesla has taken a significant move forward with the construction of its third manufacturing plant near Berlin. The factory, where the Model Y will be made, is expected to be completed in March 2021. Tesla is planning to develop its fourth factory near Austin, Texas. The plant, which will be constructed on a 2,000-acre plot of land, will be Tesla's largest. It will make the Cybertruck, as well as the Model Y and Model 3, as well as its big rig truck, the Semi. Tesla recently announced that deliveries of the Cybertruck would not begin until early 2022, a year later than the company's original plan of late 2021. On April 12, Canaccord Genuity analyst Jed Dorsheimer raised his price target for Tesla stock to $1,071 and upgraded it to buy. The new bullish note, however, has little to do with Tesla's electric vehicles. Instead, according to Dorsheimer, the energy generation and storage industry will grow by 25% to $8 billion in revenue by 2025. "We believe Tesla has a several-year lead and is now actively growing into storage, so we believe our multiple is warranted," he wrote to clients in a memo. The number of Tesla rivals is increasing. When Tesla begins producing cars in Germany, it will compete in the electric vehicle market with three well-known German brands: Volkswagen Group, VW AGY, BMW, BMW YY, and Daimler AG's Mercedes-Benz division, DDAIF. It will be a tough fight since all three automotive companies are known for producing high-quality vehicles. Ford Motors, F, Mustang Mach-E, Tata Motors, Tata, Jaguar Units I-Pace, and the Audi e-tron are all serious competitors. Volkswagen is the company that owns Audi. The Taycan is also available from Volkswagen's Porsche division. Tesla is also up against stiff competition in China. XPeng Motors, XPEV, backed by e-commerce company Alibaba, is a competitor in China. Baba, NIO, and Li Auto are two other rivals. LI. Sales of electric vehicles are projected to increase by 40% to 1.8 million units in 2021, and to 6 million units by 2025. Tesla recently raised $5 billion in its third stock offering of the year as it increases manufacturing capacity in Shanghai to begin producing the Model Y crossover. The stock of Tesla has a high composite rating. A Tesla stock forecast is also available via the IBD Stock Checkup app. It shows that Tesla stock has a 94 out of 99 IBD composite rating. Tesla stock currently outperforms 94% of all stocks on the most relevant fundamental and technical stock picking parameters, according to the ranking. A relative strength rating of 94 is also assigned to the stock. The ranking keeps track of market dominance. It compares the price change of a stock over the last 52 weeks to that of other stocks. It receives a B for accumulation, distribution. This ranking is based on a stock's price and volume adjustments over the previous 13 weeks of trading. A grade of A indicates that there is a lot of institutional buying going on. The lowest rating of E indicates that there will be a lot of selling. Consider the C grade to be neutral. Its relative strength line has been trending downward since late January, but has recently leveled out. The relative line compares a stock's strength to that of the entire S&P 500 index. In the map, the RS line is the blue line. The RS line of the strongest stocks is usually either confirming or leading the price of a stock into new high ground. Timing is crucial in the stock market. When searching for stocks to buy or sell, it's critical to conduct fundamental and technical research that recognizes lower risk entry points with high potential rewards. Tesla stock predictions. The stock of Tesla is currently not a buy because it has hit resistance at the 50-day line. According to MarketSmith chart review, it is now back above the 10-week axis. The 50-day level of support is setting the stage for a major test. It could be a buy signal for aggressive investors if Tesla stock can retake the side. If shares can stay above that line by the end of the week, a new base with a 900.50 buy point will be established. The base's 40% depth to its low of 539.49, on the other hand, is beyond the usual range. Tesla stock buyers should also bear in mind that the company will announce earnings in just 2 weeks, following the market close on April 26. If you're looking to buy large cap stocks, you'll find technical analysis of leading large caps in these articles to see if they're in or near a good buy region. You'll also find warnings to warning signs and sell signals that indicate when it's time to cash in on your gains or cut your losses short. You'll also learn if the latest stock market trend is favorable for stock purchases or whether it's a time to take protective action and sell. Check current market conditions and use IBD Stock Checkup to see if your stock passes the most relevant fundamental and technical criteria before making any investment decisions. Tesla stock has been on the decline in recent weeks, losing 26% of its value between a record high in late January and Friday's closing price. However, at least one expert believes that things will get a lot better. Tesla shares are expected to hit at least $3,000 by 2025, according to ARK Invest, which is led by the powerful Cathie Wood. That's a 350% increase from Friday's close, and more than double ARK's own $1,400 price target from last year. In reality, even in the worst-case, bear scenario, ARK believes Tesla shares would hit an absolute bottom of $1,500 in 2025, according to analyst Tasha Keeney. In midday trading Monday, Tesla, TSLA, shares were up more than 6% to $697. ARK raised its assumptions for Tesla's ability to effectively use its resources to fund its aggressive growth plans, which is why its price target has changed so dramatically from last year, according to Kenny. In several states, ARK is now factoring in the profits it expects Tesla to make from selling automobile insurance to its customers. Keeney also wrote about Musk's promised robo-taxi ride-hailing service, claiming that ARK now claims there's a 50% chance Tesla would be able to achieve fully autonomous driving by 2025, and that such a service will add $160 billion in annual revenues by that time. Other Tesla critics, on the other hand, were quick to criticize ARK's report, claiming that it failed to account for the cost of Tesla's projected development. It appears ARK expects Tesla will have $300 billion to $700 billion in sales in 2025, versus $31.5 billion in 2020, with no new debt or equity issuance, GLJ research analyst Gordon Johnson said. Given how much attention has been drawn to ARK's price target, the assumptions underlying ARK's model should be thoroughly examined. When we looked into it a little more, we came up with an image of a potentially flawed, misinformed model, in our opinion. Due to increased competition, Tesla's stock has been under pressure. Volkswagen, VLKPF, General Motors, GM, and Ford, F, have all increased their investments in electric vehicles. What do you think about our video? Are you planning to invest in a stock? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications before you go. Thanks for watching.